Hey guys, welcome to Henry channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can show this PC icon on your desktop. So guys, if you're new in Windows or you have just updated from an older version of Windows, you doesn't know how to show the icon on desktop, so I'm going to show you how you can do it in this video. All you have to do is right click and go to personalize, and now from here go to themes, and there you see desktop icon settings. Just click on it, and now just check everything that you want on your desktop. I'm checking my computer and other similar things like recycle bin, network and user, and just apply. Now you're gonna see the icons will be on desktop. So guys, that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.